Hey guys, welcome back. So obviously today you're going to be cooking with me, Jen, but you're going to always be drinking with Gina. Right, today I've got something really yummy. I'm going to make this delicious barbecue chicken bacon bomb. We've got all this delicious stuff. Let's go over these ingredients. Ground chicken, ground sausage, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, thick cut bacon, Memphis pit barbecue rub, Applewood rub, and brown sugar. Now grab a bowl and let's start making that delicious filling. We're going to be adding 1 pound of ground sausage and 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. Then we'll be adding 1/4 cup of that delicious Memphis barbecue pit seasoning. Then stir everything together. Now set everything aside and I'm going to show you how to get these chicken bombs filled. You will need 2 pounds of ground chicken and set aside. Next, you will grab your cheese and I'll be slicing it to where it's about 2 to 3 inches in length and about a 1/2 inch thick. Now go ahead and get your ground chicken and I will be dividing it into 6 equal parts. Now go ahead and grab one of your chicken bombs and flatten it out so we can start adding that delicious sausage and cream cheese filling. Go ahead and give it a nice good amount. Then you're going to just drop your cheese right in the center and then you're going to mold it around it. Okay, so once you've finished rolling up all of your little chicken bombs, now we're going to get out that good stuff and get that bacon and let's start wrapping these guys up. So grab yourself some foil and then we're going to throw that bacon on there and we're going to season it up with this delicious Applewood rub. Now don't be shy with the seasoning, give your bacon a nice good coat. The two of these flavors together go so good. Now grab your little chicken bomb and roll that bacon around it. Go ahead and finish and repeat your steps with your other chicken bombs. So once you've finished wrapping all your chicken bombs with bacon, we're going to add some brown sugar on top. We're just going to sprinkle it on. All right, so hello. Don't these look so amazing? They are delicious. They smell great. The bacon, the brown sugar, all the spices, they are the bomb. Cannot wait. So now I'm going to bake these in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to take them out, pan fry them a little bit to get that bacon nice and crispy. While these are baking in the oven, go ahead, make your favorite side. I'm going to be making asparagus with mushrooms. All right, yay, these look so good. Can't wait. They smell that bacon and the maple and the brown sugar. It's just those flavors. I'm so excited. All right, now we're gonna pan fry these guys, get them nice and seared and crispy because no one likes soggy bacon. It's gotta be crispy. All right, let's get started. All right, once you've got all your little chicken bombs placed in the pan, don't waste that bacon juice. Go ahead and drizzle it over the top. All right, I don't know about you, but I am starving and this looks insane. I love it. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. So let's get busy. Would you look at all that ooey gooey cheese melting out? Yum. So good. You can really taste that barbecue, all those flavors. You can taste the brown sugar, the maple, the sausage, the cheese. It's like, I love it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also head over to all my social media, check out the Jen and Gina show. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay, just click the button right here. See you guys soon.